Hey, home cooks in Manila, are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will bring the flavors of the Philippines right into your kitchen? Today, we're diving into the world of Kare-Kare, a beloved Filipino classic that is sure to impress your family and friends. This dish is not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes with its vibrant colors and rich textures. Want to cook something really impressive? Let's make Kare-Kare. This is so yummy. We'll need oxtail, which is the star of the dish. The oxtail gives the stew its rich, meaty flavor and tender texture. It's a bit of a labor of love, but trust me, the end result is worth it. We'll also need some fresh banana blossoms and sliced eggplant. These ingredients add a unique flavor and texture to the dish. The banana blossoms have a slightly sweet and floral taste, while the eggplant becomes wonderfully tender as it cooks. Don't forget the string beans and bok choy. These green veggies not only add a pop of color, but also a nice crunch to the stew. The string beans are crisp and fresh, and the bok choy adds a mild, slightly peppery flavor. And of course, the special peanut sauce. We'll use ground peanuts and toasted rice flour to create that creamy, nutty base that Kare-Kare is famous for. The ground peanuts give the sauce its rich, nutty flavor, while the toasted rice flour helps to thicken it up. To give our Kare-Kare that beautiful orange-red color, we'll use annatto seeds. These seeds are soaked in water to release their vibrant color, which is then added to the sauce. It not only makes the dish look stunning, but also adds a subtle, earthy flavor. First, we boil the oxtail until it's nice and soft. This can take a couple of hours, so be patient. The key is to cook it low and slow until the meat is tender and falling off the bone. This step is crucial for getting that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Then, in another pan, we'll cook some garlic and onions until they smell really good. The aroma of the garlic and onions cooking together is just heavenly. This forms the flavor base for our Kare-Kare, adding depth and richness to the dish. Add the oxtail and mix in the ground peanuts and toasted rice flour. This is where the magic happens. The ground peanuts and toasted rice flour combine with the oxtail to create a thick, creamy sauce that is just irresistible. Now, pour in some water and let it simmer until the sauce gets thick and creamy. This step allows all the flavors to meld together and the sauce to reach the perfect consistency. Keep an eye on it and stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Next, add all those colorful veggies banana blossoms, which add a unique texture and flavor to the dish. The banana blossoms should be added first, as they take a bit longer to cook. Then, add the eggplant, string beans, and bok choy. These vegetables cook relatively quickly, so add them towards the end to ensure they stay vibrant and slightly crisp. Cook them until they're soft and bright. Don't overcook them. The vegetables should be tender, but still have a bit of bite to them. This ensures that they retain their color and texture, making the dish not only delicious, but also visually appealing. Serve your Kare-Kare with some bagoong on the side. Bagoong is a fermented shrimp paste that adds a salty, umami kick to the dish. It's the perfect complement to the rich, nutty flavors of the Kare-Kare. It adds that extra special flavor. Just a small spoonful of bagoong can elevate the dish to a whole new level. If you've never tried it before, you're in for a treat. You have to try this recipe. It's so good. The combination of tender oxtail, creamy peanut sauce, and fresh vegetables is simply divine. Each bite is a burst of flavor and texture that will leave you wanting more. Share pictures of your Kare-Kare with us. We love seeing your culinary creations. Tag us on social media and use the hashtag #KareKareLove. Let's spread the love for this amazing dish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tasty recipes. Enjoy your Kare-Kare. We can't wait to see your delicious creations and hear what you think of this classic Filipino dish. Happy cooking!